Hello? Hello? Wow, we lost that. Yeah, do call us back. Once again, 08094441035 or 08096661035. Anyway, as I await your input, let me also tell you that, like the way Ali Shukuma said, they go Jolo. There's a reason why Governor Charles Soludo wants to present a revised 2022 draft budget. It is because they go Jolo. In this report, the governor, he frowned on the increasing rate of insecurity in the state and admonished the people to report anyone with questionable character living among them, adding that the people causing pain live within the communities. He also assures of continued consolidation of projects of his predecessor, despite paucity of funds. So, ego, Giolo, really, my brother. He said today marks 49 days. So if we add 2 days to it now, it will be 51 days. We assumed office. This is the second time we are calling this that meeting where he said this. The meeting of the traditional. Okay, let's see this. Let's get this call. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. Your name and your location.
It's from
okay. Right on. Yes, whenever yes, ebe radio gid no po so that nke na-ekwu ekwu ka anyị na-anụ ya ka radio hala na-anọchisi ya. Okay, ngwa.
Maka na ọ na-arụ na na-asụ iwe na-esi izu a. Dịka ọ wụzi Igbo ka a na-asụ. Mgbe enwe anaghị akwụrụ Igbo. Na-asụ iwe.
Si asụsụ n'oyibo na ala Igbo oyi na-ekwu anyị asụsụ n'oyibo kpamkpam na ala Igbo a ga na-asụ oyibo na ọ bụrụ nsụtata oyibo nsụtapụ Igbo tipu ya ka e wee na-ekwu Yoruba people if you go to Yoruba land okay right on okay. Yes, now there will be time when we have to speak English. As well English, and most times you hear Igbo programs on this station. Now we have to do it. Sometimes there are some things you can't explain in Igbo. Only some things you cannot really explain in Igbo. You know that, right? Some things we have to come out from the English perspective. That's the thing. So, Oboni contribution in what we are talking about. Oboni about if I know about governor of Anambra State to try to push Anambra Koganiru. Let's ride on. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for your contribution. Thank you. Okay.